Partnership working has been key. There is no way that the Science Centre could have rolled out these Science at Home kits without partnership working, without the help and support of local people, local organisations, without funding and the time and commitment and the effort that people have put in from Dundee Science Centre and our partners is remarkable. And I'm actually so proud to have been part of something that did that and managed to bring all those people together who really wanted to help.
I think with this project, what it's done is hopefully it's opened up a world that wasn't necessarily there, and that'll last for a couple of years. And I think what's really important is that you keep looking for opportunities to bring in kids that might not have the same advantages, and it's about learning what communities need at any given time.
It does feel good to be able to provide for people at this time, and it's not just people who you might usually think would be struggling. So many families were affected by the lockdown, by the virus, and just being able to help any family who needed it.
I think this is the essence of what we're all about at Dundee University as well. We're very much interested in engaging with the local community. We want to be seen as a force for good. We want to, where we can, transform lives and provide opportunities and better lives for those, particularly in deprived areas.